Hello everyone. Today we will understand for loops in Python. So let's begin by with an example. So let's make a variable and like make a John, and that for now if we want to make a for loop in Python we have to just type for in x in names and then a colon then print x. So now if I run this, see it's printing out JOHN. So in for loop we are iterating the string here John by first with J, then O, then with H, then with N, uh, and that's how we are able to print out like this JOHN. So and we can also name this anything like TO, and we can also TO, and if I run this again it's printing again John. So we can name it anything like smile, or okay, we can name it anything, it's up to you. It's going to show sorry, we have to make it like I just simply I would we're going to put Y, but you get the point, you can name it anything. Okay, and you will going to see like this. So so let's understand furthermore with the list like this. Let's name it John, then Jerry, then Tom, and one more Harry. So now make a for loop in Y in names and print Y. So let's print it out. See, John, Jerry, Tom, Harry. So let's understand break and continue in for loops as we have done in while loops also. So if Y is equal to like Tom, then we want to break the loop. So let's test this out. So let's run this. See, the our loop is breaked after the Tom. The Tom is printed out. So now let's try with continue. See, now let's run this. See, the with continue it's going to ignore that Tom variable, and it's going to loop through Harry. So that's how we use continue and break in for loops. Yeah, that's it for loops. We can do more things in for loops also, but for today I'm going to make it very simple and easy. So and for next time we will understand more of for loops by complex examples. So thank you for watching. That's it for today.